Hi, my name is Iván Cardona. I'm currently a senior student at the Universidad Autónoma de Nuevo León, and I work as an investment analyst in venture capital. Today, I want to share my thoughts on a topic that is not only crucial in business, but also in everyday life: collaborative and competitive negotiation. As we may know, negotiation is something we all engage in, whether we are aware of it or not. It could be deciding on a group project, discussing terms with a business partner, or even convincing a friend where to eat. But as its core, negotiation is about reaching agreements and solving problems. And the way we approach it, it can have a huge impact on the results. There are two main approaches to negotiations: collaborative and competitive, and both are valid. But knowing when to use each is a skill that takes practice and awareness. Now I want to explain you a little bit about the concepts. A collaborative negotiation focuses on creating value for everyone involved. It's about building long-term relationships and finding solutions that benefit all parties. This approach is often referred to as a win-win situation. On the other hand, a competitive negotiation is more about maximizing individual gains. It's ideal when resources are limited or the relationship with the other party isn't a priority. This approach is sometimes called a win-lose situation. As a student, understanding these approaches has been incredibly helpful in growth projects. For example, I have learned that collaboration leads to better results and a stronger teamwork. But in other settings like debates or presentations where stakes are higher, we are competing for recognition. A competitive mindset is sometimes necessary. Now, let me connect this to my professional life in venture capital. In my role, I've seen how both negotiation styles play out in real-world scenarios. When negotiation with startups, a collaborative approach is essential. For instance, when discussing investment terms, I focus on building trust and finding a middle ground that aligns with the startup goals and our fund objectives. It's not just about securing the best deal today, it's about fostering a partnership that creates long-term value. However, there are moments when competitive approach is necessary. For example, when determining valuations or negotiation terms, like equity stakes or exit preference. Being firm and strategic is critical to ensure our fund interests are protected. In venture capital, this balance is key. It's not about choosing one approach over the other. It's about being adaptable and understanding the context of each negotiation. So, what's the takeaway? Collaborative and competitive negotiation aren't opposites. They are tools, and as a student, I've learned to practice both in controlled environments, like cross projects or mock negotiations, to develop a sense of when each is appropriate. And as a professional, I've seen how mastering both approaches can turn a simple agreement into a lasting, impactful relationship. Negotiation is not just a business skill, it's a life skill. Whether you're aiming to close a deal or resolve a conflict, understanding when to collaborate and when to compete can make all the difference. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope these insights help you see negotiation as more than a strategy. It's an opportunity to create value and build connections. Thank you.